In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson Expression Home or XP-102 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and use this resetter, we suggest you to disable all of your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the file, then you can right-click on the file and select Extract All. Click Extract button. The next is open the resettle folder, then run the adjustment programs. In here, you need to select the model with XP-102 and click OK. After that, you can click particular adjustment mode button in here. Then choose Wash Ink Pad Counter and click OK. Then you can tick the main pad counter option and the flatten pad counter option. After that, you can click check button. Then you can click initialization button. After the resetting works, you can just click finish and you can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. In any case you face error, you can try to moving your USB printer into another port available on your computers. Then you can try to repeat the resetting process. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson XP-102 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Thanks for watching.